Specifications of this new Enduro. Drivetrain, 4-wheel drive. Radio, XP130. Speed? It varies. Ah yes, and don't forget experience level, beginner to advanced. Oh, recommended environment, Mother Earth. Gotta give it to you, AE. Element. Y'all do a good job on your box and on your vehicles. So today I'm gonna unbox this Enduro because, well, I just need another one. It's another scale garage. It has another scale garage in there. Neat. Not throwing this box away. All right, fresh unboxing of this Sendero Enduro. It's really no different than any of the other ones that I have. It's just smooth as butter shocks. I really, really love how high quality the shocks are on the Elements, just right out of the box. Let's see, I don't have the other one here to check the wheelbase. This wheelbase looks just maybe a hair shorter than the other body style, maybe about the same. They are kind of short wheelbase. This does come with this 6-ish, 7-ish% overdrive right out of the box, which I love. Huge steering angle. Check out that steering angle just right out of the box. There's a lot of reasons why the Sendero is one of my favorite RTR rigs. You know, they're not quite as beefy as something like a TRX4, but at the same time, they're a lot more capable. And that's generally what you always have to give up. You either have capability or you have beefiness, and beefiness comes with a weight penalty. So that is the trade-off. We're just gonna check out under this hood here. Oh, we got a winch, whatever it's called, fair lead on the front. Nice. I guess I need to get back to those servo winches, huh? Let me know in the comments. We're working on them. Trust me, we're working on them. But evidently, it's difficult. There we go. All right, we got lights on this one. We got things. We got bumpers. We got bumpers in the package. There's no rear bumper. Is there just no rear bumper on this, or is it hiding? You know, I could look at I could look in the instructions, but that really ruins it for me. I'll put the body back on and yeah. So the bumper, I guess, is just built into this or whatever. Yeah. Not too heavy. They got the fold-away mirrors. Indeed. Love it. All right, so this has the stock electronics. It looks like it does have the HD upgrades, I think. Oh, I'll have to figure that out on my own. I should have looked before. But let's see here. So we got the Reedy ESC, we got the Reedy radio, XP130 radio, the 16-turn 540, whatever they call their 5-slot on there. The electronics on this rig stock are not bad by any means, but as I've said before, I'm a motor snob. I'll end up switching these out, but for this first run, we'll just have fun with it. I will say, when you go to exchange your electronics, if you want better low speed control, you will also have to switch out the radio. That is one thing that I found on this particular unit, is that it does not quite have good low speed modulation on this radio. I actually thought that I was having some ESC problems one day after after I switched out to a higher quality ESC system, and it turns out that it was also the radio that was causing the jerkiness at the bottom. There's not a lot of good resolution on this. With a stock system, it's perfectly matched. But just as a forewarning, when you want to upgrade, you will need to change out your radio if you want to have really good fine low speed control with most systems. All right, so I don't use Dean's plugs anymore. I'm gonna see if I have a Dean's converter here, and if I don't, we'll solder that up, and then I'll see you out on the rocks. Pretty decent servo. Time to go outside.